Okay, what are you going to be now?
Now that's all.
What about a horse?
I just did that.
Do it again.
Oh, what? There's one more.
Okay.
There's one time.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay.
Nay! 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 Nay!
Okay, what about a cow?
I just did that.
Will you do it again?
It's one time.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay, go ahead.
You a cow? Are you a cow?
Okay, what about a sheep? You didn't do a sheep.
What does a sheep say?
Yeah.
Good job.
What about thing?
What about a chicken?
Okay. Buck, 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 buck. Oh, chicken is dog. Buck, 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 buck.
Good job.
Buck, 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 buck.
What do fish
buck.
say? Loop, loop, loop. The bubbles come out of their mouth.
Oh. Bloop, 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 bloop.
You gotta move like a fish.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Okay, what about a dog?
The dog?
Mhm.
Oh, that's all then.
What about a
Will
snake?
you just do it one more time?
Now it's pink.
Hey, what about a dog?
What about a cat? Okay, what about a horse?
Hey, I hear the cat.
What about a horse?
I hear the cat.
What about a bird? How do they fly? Good job. Did you ask her what her fish's names are?
Not yet.